You too want to start selling on Amazon FBA. But you don't know where to start yet. Your budget doesn't allow you to start selling online yet. Retail arbitrage is the best way to get started on Amazon. Retail arbitrage does not require a lot of capital to get started. In this video we will learn what retail arbitrage is and what steps you need to take to start your business on Amazon FBA. My name is Richard and you are on my AMZ Seller Tools channel, where I share with you my experience on Amazon FBA, so that you too can start your own business and start making money fast. For new channels have been added to my AMZ Seller Tools channel. Today my videos are available in 5 languages: French, American, Spanish, Italian, and German. You can find my foreign language videos in the channels tab. Don't forget to subscribe to be informed of the release of my next videos, and to share this capsule to help me develop my channel. See you right after this.
A lot of soul.
Retail arbitrage is a sales model, which consists in taking advantage of the price difference between two markets to create a margin. This is called reselling. This sales model is probably the simplest and most popular. It is a viable economic method for all types of sellers, beginners or experienced. Hi, my name is Marjorie. In this new video we will see how retail arbitrage works, what are the other online selling models, if it is easy to make money with retail arbitrage, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of this selling method on Amazon FBA.
Retail arbitrage consists in buying products at low prices in a retail store close to your home and reselling these same products at a higher price on Amazon to make a profit. You'll have to identify stores that are selling off, destocking, in very large quantities to resell them to individuals at attractive prices. This is a hunter's activity, always on the lookout for opportunities to maintain and develop your business on Amazon. This selling technique can be very profitable and can allow you to make a stable income. To get started in retail arbitrage you will need 4 things. A car to go to a supermarket and transport the purchased products. A small amount of money to buy the products on sale. An Amazon seller account to be able to post the purchased products online. An application to know if a product sells on Amazon and what your potential margin will be.
There are other ways to sell your products on Amazon. Each sales method has its advantages and disadvantages. Depending on your cash flow, the difficulty of implementation, and your feelings, you will be attracted to one or the other of these sales techniques.
Online arbitrage consists of buying products on retailer websites and reselling them at a higher price on Amazon's website. This is very similar to retail arbitrage. The only difference is that you don't physically go to the store, but you buy your products directly from the websites which offer promotions. This way, you have quick access to millions of products online. Without going anywhere, you can consult an unlimited stock of products to resell. This method is much more efficient and faster than retail arbitrage. Like retail arbitrage, this method is very effective if you use the Amazon FBA program to outsource your logistics and customer service.
Dropshipping is selling products you don't own. Every time you make a sale on Amazon, you contact your supplier. And the supplier ships the sold product for you directly to the final customer. In this sales model you won't be able to use Amazon FBA's delivery services, because it is your supplier who takes care of the delivery. But towards Amazon you are responsible for the delivery time. Unfortunately, in dropshipping, delivery times are often extremely long, because often the suppliers are located in China. Amazon does not like this sales method very much, and neither does the impatient customer. At first glance this model seems very attractive because there are no startup costs to build up a stock. You don't need a website, because you sell on Amazon and you immediately have thousands of different products that you can sell on the Amazon website. The most dangerous aspect of this business model is the fact that Amazon has very strict requirements regarding the quality of sellers and delivery times. Every time an order is canceled by a customer who does not receive their order quickly, you run the risk of being banned from selling on Amazon's site.
Now comes the wholesale model. This method consists of purchasing product inventory from a manufacturer in very large quantities and obtaining a resale authorization. This method requires you to develop a very good relationship with the manufacturer so that they will allow you to sell on their behalf. Wholesaling requires a lot of capital to be able to buy large quantities of inventory. However, if you master this sales model, it can be very profitable. Margins are around 50% and the turnaround time is extremely fast.
Private label consists of selling a product with your brand on it. You will have to find a supplier who can deliver a stock of products and who allows you to use your own brand. Most of the time, for reasons of purchase price, your supplier will be abroad and very often in China. You will be able to buy, for example, on platforms like Alibaba or DHgate. You can ask the supplier to modify and improve the product, its color, its quality, its particularities. Once you have your products manufactured, you ship them to an Amazon FBA warehouse and you take advantage of Amazon's notoriety and huge market to make your sales.
Many sellers have been able to develop a successful business through retail arbitrage. Due to the exponential growth of Amazon over the years, any seller who is willing to work hard has every chance of earning a comfortable side income. Starting a business has never been easier than it is today. Retail arbitrage is a real opportunity for new sellers on Amazon FBA. Retail arbitrage is a relatively simple but very lucrative concept. Amazon's platform with its program called Fulfillment by Amazon is the best place to start with retail arbitrage. However, there are other platforms where you can also sell your items. In fact, many retail arbitrage sellers also sell their items on eBay and Walmart.com.
You don't need a lot of capital to start your business in retail arbitrage. You only need a few $100s or euros to buy your products on sale, a phone and a free application. All you need is the common sense to identify the right products and the means of transportation to go and buy your items in the stores near you.
So, you have to ask yourself the question, is retail arbitrage profitable? The answer is yes. The amount of money you make will depend on how much time you spend looking for profitable products to sell, and how much money you are willing to invest when you go into retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage is a method that requires time to physically search for items in large stores. It's an activity that will quickly fill your days if you don't use a proper application to find the right products to sell. But the competition is low because few sellers take action. You can still make money. Because you will always find items on sale, which will allow you to earn money by reselling them online.
In fact, let's take an example. Let's say you buy a lot of products on sale in a department store. Let's imagine that you pay $10 per unit for these products, and that you can resell them for $30 per unit on the Amazon website. Amazon will take its commission, shipping and storage fees from your selling price, which is about $8 in total. This means that you will make a profit of about $12 per product sold, that is, $30 selling price on Amazon, minus $10 purchase price in your local department store, minus $8 in Amazon selling and commission fees. If you could have bought 20 products, you would have made 20 times $12, or $240 in margin, just for a few hours' work. And if you could have purchased 100 units of products from your retailer, your margin would have been 100 times $12, or $1,200, for the same amount of time. Today, how much do you earn per month as an employee?
Let's get back to retail arbitrage. Let's take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of this sales model. First of all, the advantages. Because of its simplicity, retail arbitrage is suitable for all Amazon sellers, whether you are a beginner or an experienced seller. This method requires little investment, but it will force you to travel regularly to several stores to find the right products to sell on Amazon. The main advantage is a very low financial barrier to entry. You can start your business with $100 or $200 in your pocket. The risk is very low because you don't buy large quantities of products. The initial investment is very limited, so you don't risk losing much money. Thanks to retail arbitrage, you can make significant financial gains in the short term. You don't have to spend time building your brand, and you don't have to spend time building long-term relationships with your suppliers. Retail arbitrage is a sales model that allows you to learn the techniques of selling on the Amazon marketplace. It's a good start to learn and get started in online sales. With retail arbitrage, you can use all the fame of Amazon to offer your products to many customers. You work with the largest and most reliable platform in the world immediately after signing up. Compared to a seller who offers his products on his website, like Shopify for example, you don't need to generate traffic to your website and to your products. Because without traffic you can't sell on the internet.
Now we will look at the disadvantages of retail arbitrage. With the retail arbitrage method, you can't predict in advance what products you will be selling in a few weeks. Because you don't know in advance which products will be on sale in the stores near you. It is therefore difficult to automate your activity because the products found and sold are never the same. One of the disadvantages of retail arbitrage is that some brands may try to discourage you from carrying their products if you are not an authorized retailer. Some products on sale are subject to recall issues due to safety or health concerns. With retail arbitrage, you have low customer loyalty. Because you are selling constantly different products. Retail arbitrage requires a lot of time to find and buy your products. With retail arbitrage, because you can't customize your products, you don't have your own private label. You can't generate your own product listings.
Retail arbitrage seems easy. A lot of people want to get started on Amazon with this sales technique. But few people take action. Because retail arbitrage takes time. Time to get to the big box stores, time to prepare the products to be shipped to Amazon's warehouses. That's why many potential sellers give up on the idea before they get started on Amazon FBA. So if you have the time, the right application, and the right training, retail arbitrage is the path to success. You're in a hurry to succeed on Amazon FBA. The Amazon FBA Mastery training from just one dime will guide you to success without any detours or time wasting. The goal is to enable you to make your first sales quickly, without failure, without financial loss. The Amazon FBA Mastery Training Program is the result of many years of experience in selling on Amazon FBA and in e-commerce. In this training, Seth Neep explains step-by-step his techniques and strategies to build your brand, your products, and succeed on Amazon FBA. This course is one of the best courses in the world. You'll see it for yourself. This training consists of 5 extremely complete modules, plus 7 free modules, for a total of over 200 videos. You can see the details of this training by clicking on this next video, or by following the link, which you will find in the description of this video.